Chapter 3, Finding Winning Products. What sells on TikTok Shop? You can have the best content and strategy in the world, but if your product doesn't spark interest, it's going to be a tough sell. On TikTok, product choice is everything. This chapter will help you understand what kinds of products perform well on TikTok Shop, how to find them, and what to avoid. What makes a product TikTok worthy? Unlike marketplaces where people search with intention, like Amazon, TikTok users are casually scrolling for entertainment. That means your product needs to stand out and get people to stop mid-scroll. Winning products typically have visual appeal, they look interesting in a short video. Problem-solving features, they make life easier or better. Affordable pricing, ideally under $50 for impulse buys. Easy demo potential, the viewer should instantly get it. Trend tie-ins, products that fit into popular TikTok niches like skincare, gadgets, fitness, or cleaning. Where to find product ideas? 1. TikTok hashtags and search hashtags like hashtag TikTok made me buy it or hashtag TikTok shop to see what products are getting attention. Pay attention to the style of videos and the types of products shown. 2. TikTok Creative Center. This tool shows trending products, ads, and sounds across TikTok. Use it to spot rising products or categories with strong engagement. 3. TikTok Shop Affiliate Marketplace. Inside the Seller Center, the affiliate marketplace shows which products creators are actively promoting. Assign those items are in demand. 4. Manual research. Watch top creators in your niche. What are they reviewing, testing, or promoting? Products that are already trending can be great inspiration for your own store. Picking a niche versus selling everything. When starting out, it's often better to stick to one niche. This makes your content more consistent and builds trust faster. Popular niches on TikTok include beauty and skincare, home organization, kitchen gadgets, tech accessories, pet products, fitness and wellness. Selling in a focused niche also helps attract relevant affiliates and repeat buyers. Test before you commit. You don't need to launch with a massive product catalog. Start by testing 1-3 products and see what gets traction. Post a few videos for each product and track the results. Are people watching? Clicking? Commenting? When something hits, you'll know to double down. What to avoid? Stay away from fragile or slow to ship items. Products with unclear functionality. Oversaturated one-hit wonder fads. Items with poor reviews or quality issues. Always vet your supplier, if dropshipping or reselling, to ensure reliability and good customer experiences. Key takeaway. A great product makes content creation easier and sales more natural. Look for items that are easy to demonstrate, fun to watch, and solve a real problem. Combine that with good content, and you're on the path to real success with TikTok Shop.